Need to update your Wise account details? Let's do it in just few steps. First, open the Wise app and log into your account. Now, here at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon and your name. Tap on it to open the settings. Scroll down until you find personal details. Tap on personal details. Now, tap on personal information or email address or your phone number. Tap on anything you want to change. Inside personal information, you can change your country, your name, or your date of birth, your number, or your home address. Tap Save, and your information will be saved automatically. If you can't update your info, make sure to validate the information before submitting. Need help with Wise updates? Drop your questions in the comments. And that's it. Your Wise account is now up to date. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.